Welcome back to another video. I'm here at Patrick's Service Center. I'm waiting for Mayu. As you can see, there's a very special Golf over here. Mayu's Golf. I brought the Honda here. The Honda's in the shop. Planning on taking out the gearbox today. Hopefully fixing the seals and installing a special part today. So you're gonna see what's gonna happen today. Hopefully it gets done today. Let me show you Mayu's Golf. This is his Golf. I think it's a 1.8 but stroked 1.9 turbo. He's got his OEM Porsche telly dials on here. OEM Momo steering. I think that's a Golf 5 center console. Yeah, he can tell you more about this when he comes. He's been working on this car for years. It's gonna be one really special Golf. I'll show you the bay when he comes.
Those are different ones.
The boys are back in town.
Yeah. What did we? Taking out gearbox. What Sherman did?
Broke
Broke the gearbox.
I never broke the gearbox.
Break the gearbox.
Can't break the gearbox.
I broke the car.
Break, fix
We
it.
broke the car.
We broke the car.
After this will let me take this cab. I need to buy one.
No, I need 40.
Even if I see the cherries with my car. What you mean, yeah, take it?
As long as you put petrol and oil, drive it tops. Drive it slow. Only when the cherries are like
I must put you on my insurance first.
Yeah, that's a good idea. Very good idea.
Then the insurance bag.
How did you that about? I have no record for that.
You can see we took out the drain plug. See in the toolbox there. You only hit potholes.
By mistake.
That's not something you should be proud of.
I said by mistake.
Okay, so basically at this point in the video we started stripping the gearbox, taking out the starter, loosening the bolts, etc. But before we started doing all this, I made a mistake on the upper control arm ball joint. So when I was stripping the drive shaft, this is basically your upper control arm. I have camber adjustable upper control arm it has a ball joint here, and basically your stub axle is here, and this goes down to your hub. Here's your PCD, 4x100 with your hub, and the ball joint thread goes through this top of the stub axle, and the thread comes out here, and it's locked with a crown nut, right? So you're supposed to loosen the crown nut and then knock the top of the stub axle with a hammer. So what happened was, took the hammer and I'm going to knock here. So 1 knock, 2 knock, 3 knock, and bang. Basically on the 3rd knock, when I went to hit here, the hammer slipped, hit the thread. And so if this was your ball joint, this is the rubber, this is your thread, right? After I knocked it, the thread was here. It wasn't connected to here. So this whole conundrum made the job take 2 days instead of 1 day. We would have finished it in 1 day. But as you'll see in the video, the car did get back on the road and we made a plan and sorted it out.
See now. You're not I'm sitting now. Calm down. Leave it.
It's a CV,
The thing is out.
but it's still in the gearbox.
Yeah, now put them here. You're injured.
Just feel.
Yeah.
Where's Gerard? Or related gearing is what?
Yeah, both. So the gearbox is
I
out.
always renew those bolts because I've had the issue before where I put the bolts on and it's not good.
Took the gearbox out and the bolts on the flywheel was somewhat loose.
Scheme one or two of them, you could have took it out with our hands.
But we're putting the stock pressure plate back because in the high rev, I wasn't getting the gears.
So if I can put water pump?
See, you can see the strap that was repaired. It's skewed.
Let's check it now.
This was an overdue job.
When we having a poker night,
Jihad, don't complain.
He mustn't lose, that's the thing. He has to come top 3, then he won't come.
I was winning there, I had all the chips.
yeah, you and me, then we started again.
Then he reckoned, no.
He was first out that game, that's why.
Yeah, Van Parkin's phone.
He was getting escort pictures.
They reckon, come you do another.
Clutch is alright, that's not bad. Clutch is okay. This thing is so smooth. Yeah, but it's not bad. This.
Oh, that.
Yeah.
No, that's supposed to be, yeah.
That's supposed to be straight.
Yeah, we can sort it out.
Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. Oh, because of this.
I think it's this way. This way it goes in, isn't it? Mayo?
Sort it.
Mayo?
Yeah, but it's not supposed to be loose like that.
Mayo? This part goes inside. Like that.
Yeah.
So put it back. Where's the tool?
I'm trying to take out this shifter because I got some special parts. As you can see here, VMS short shifter. I know this video has been jumping around quite a bit, but yeah, it's been stressful. Upper control ball joint on the right hand side, the thread broke, so we're trying to sort that out. While that's getting sorted out, I want to install this thing. It is super light, like compared to other short shooters. This is very light and also looks sick. So I'm assuming it's gonna sit about there, but now I need to try and figure out how to take the shifter out. I loosened the bolts at the bottom and I don't really want to break anything here. But I think this needs to come out. I need to get a new bushing here also, this rubber thing.
Hey Shaman, what's going on here?
So we figured out that we had to take out the linkages because there was like these 2 pin bolts and it was stripped, so you couldn't take out the bolts. So we had to take it out, weld it back, and then remove the bolts. My arm is getting sore.
My method will work, man.
What method?
Use the bendy extension.
You don't have method. There's only madness, no method.
The bendy extension will work, man.
That was your bendy extension.
Very bendy. Infectionation. What's happening here?
So the shifter is in, but we just need to we had to put washers at the bottom where the bearing is so we don't damage the bearing. Yeah, we just need to. I put the washer on the one side, but we jacked the car up a little bit because we didn't have space. So we just need to put the washer. The wire is put the washer on the other side. This is what I have to deal with.
Hey, no camera, no camera. Money deportation. Come on, man. I'm working here.
Why you tell them we were working?
I'm working under the car.
No, we're working at Patrick's service.
Yeah, at Patrick's service.
Hey, here's the boat on the other side.
Laser Park. Oh, yeah. In Blueberry Hill. Why are you coming so close? Your mother.
I'm putting that on the YouTube.
Baby, we'll meet at a mall. Come on. Yes. Give me a screw. Give me the nut. Give me the nut. Get out the way. I'm filming. You cramping my style.
Shut up, you have no style, you. With your Timu shoes.
The car is sorted. My mechanic. Everything is back together, but the car really needs a car wash. I'm getting my gears. Shifting again. Oh, let me show them the shifter. That's how it's looking. I need to put the center console back, but the gears are very short. And then I told you guys I'm gonna show you Mayu's car. Mayu, they made it high comp now, but Mayu can give you more details.
We had to rebuild the motor on this car. We brought it back to the standard compression, but a little bit more compression. And yeah, the setup is basically the same. But last time I never saw the setup because everything was stripped.
3 years ago, I
Yeah.
showed them the setup.
But now it's updated. You got
This is new.
that's a water ice box.
This is nice.
FTF, everything FTF here.
And that.
There's a catch can. Got AN footings. Everything I put AN now.
Yeah, better. Patrick Service Center, they work on very nice cars here. Yeah, I think they do all the fabrication. They do all the fabrication in-house. Look at that. Quality work. So they were making an exhaust for the Audi also in the back. I'll show you guys that just now. They fabricated this for Mayu's car. They got this G5 GTI here. KO4 upgrade.
What, that's stage 3.
I don't know about stages, my man.
I think that's stage 3. When
Just like I don't know about standards. We only know grade. Yeah, my car's gonna be fresh though. Yeah, this is Patrick's Service Center, guys. If you need any work done, here's all his details. Their fabrication is insane though. Let me show you what these guys are working on. Stevie G gonna be on YouTube.
Wanna be YouTube?
Yeah.
I'm a chingiling.
These guys made this in-house.
Okay.
They also clean up the exhaust, all sprayed, cleaned up. It's a RS RS5. No. What's this?
It was made to look like that.
With the tips.
It's a normal.
Oh. This is the RS5.
Yep, yes.
We also got a wagon, RS4 outside. This, what's in this thing? Another turbo Golf, I'm assuming. It's a Rocco R. Got a C63, I believe. I don't think it's a S, but I think they did the downpipes here. Got a fuel cell in the back of this caddy. We're back to the main subject of this video. She's doing better. Ooh, okay. We're gonna get a first startup of this exhaust, live and uncut. The car is back on the road. I'll get some clips later when you go to the car wash or something, because the car is filthy. Yeah, if you guys need any work done on your cabs, if you need exhaust, fabrication, welding, alles, Patrick Service Center. I don't know if you can hear that Audi is still going at it inside. If you guys still want race plates, magnets, 25% off, use the code RECT. The giveaway, by the time you see this video, you probably only have 1 day to enter the giveaway. Enter the giveaway. The hamper is worth more than 2K. Enter the giveaway. There's about 50, but there's over 100 entries, because you can get multiple entries. So enter the giveaway. I will post net it to the winner. All your hampers.
Put the winner in the video.
Could put the winner. If you're in Joburg, we might install it for you. So, yeah. Catch you in the next one. Peace.
Totally the speed limit, guys.